How to clean the fluffy optic head on your Dyson V12 Detect Slim vacuum. This is a really easy process where we're going to be taking your old dirty fluffy head and we're going to be making it look like new again with no tools required. Firstly, we need to remove the end cap. There's a little notch here, you just simply pull that up and then the brush just pulls out like so. Now the clear bit, we're going to be just wiping that over in a bit, so put that to one side for now. Now the end cap, it's always worth just pulling that off and making sure that there's no hair or anything tangled inside the brush itself. If there is, just clear it, put the end cap to one side for now, and then we need to run a sink full of warm soapy water. There's no set rules to this, you can use washing up liquid, a fabric detergent, or even like something like a carpet shampoo. Along with your trusty toothbrush, we're going to just dunk it in there and give it a good old scrub. Once you've finished scrubbing it, we need to rinse it with some clear water. This is really important because it means when it dries, you've got rid of all the detergent so it still remains as fluffy as it used to be. Then we need to squeeze out as much of the water as we can. We want this to dry as quickly as possible. It stops any risk of it smelling or anything like that. Once you've squeezed all the water out, I like to go over it with a bit of a paper towel just to get rid of any moisture that I can. Then we're going to put it overnight in somewhere dry and warm. So in the winter on top of a radiator is fine. Obviously if it's a nice sunny day you can put it outside in the sun. Now we're going to wipe over the clear part with some multi-purpose wipes. You can use a baby wipe or anything like that. Now your floor tool might not be as clean as this, but if you please use wipes because there's electronics in here, or your motor and stuff. If you start cleaning it with water, you risk damaging it. The wipes you can also get into the gaps with. The smaller gaps you can actually use like a skewer or something to try and help you. This really is probably the easiest Dyson floor head that I've ever had to clean. I go over it now just with a microfiber cloth just to polish it up and dry it off. Now obviously the next morning when the brush bar is fully dry, we put the end cap back on. Even if this is damp, please don't put it back on the machine. And then just to refit, you just push it in like so, and then the end cap, just tilt it slightly like so, push it in and then push it down. And that is it, your cleaning is complete. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is showing you how to take apart and clean the standard floor tool. It's similar to the one that you will have on your V12.